From ancient times through the 19th century, women battled colonialists to maintain their power and prevent enslavement of their people. Even though black women have been at the forefront of impressive exploits in combat, their stories are often overlooked. Here is one of the formidable African female warriors that were a force to reckon with. Queen Amenarinas. She ruled the kingdom of Kush between 40 BC and 10 BC in the Nubian region of present-day Sudan. Amenarinas is one of the most famous candidates because of her role leading Kushite armies against the Romans in a war that lasted 5 years, from 27 BC to 22 BC. After an initial victory when the Kushites attacked Roman Egypt, they were driven out of Egypt by Gaius Petronius, and the Romans established a new frontier at Hyersykomenos, Mohoroka. Leading an army of nearly 30,000 soldiers equipped with swords, bows, and arrows, Queen Amenarinas launched a surprise attack. With her son by her side, the queen led the army from the front. The operation was successful, and she managed to capture the Roman-occupied cities. However, the war was not over yet. After the queen's victory, her army celebrated by defacing many statues of Emperor Augustus, the leader of the Roman army, as a testament to their victory. As a result, the Romans retaliated by invading Kush, destroying its old capital, and selling thousands into slavery. Determined, the queen fought tooth and nail throughout the battles, during which she was blinded in one eye by Roman soldiers, landing her another title as the One-Eyed Queen. Although the hostilities ended in a stalemate, Queen Amenarinas, unlike many of her neighbors, was victorious in resisting conquest by Rome, never ceding large swaths of territory or paying taxes to the empire. Amenarinas is remembered throughout the Nile Valley and beyond as the Nubian queen who conquered the Romans.